Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need iOS 16 or later, Face ID or Touch ID active, and the Roblox app updated. First, open Settings Passwords to confirm an Apple Passkey exists for your Apple ID. This lets you authenticate without passwords. Then, launch Roblox and sign in with your existing account. Once signed in, go to Account Settings Security inside Roblox to begin linking a passkey. Make sure your device is on the same Apple ID and unlocked so the passkey handshake can occur smoothly. Now you'll connect the passkey to Roblox. In Security, tap Enable Passkey and follow the prompts. Roblox will ask to create a new passkey credential. When prompted, use Face ID or Touch ID to approve creation. This proves it's you. The device will save the credential to iCloud keychain so you can sign in on other Apple devices. If asked, name the passkey so you recognize it later. Once created, Roblox shows passkey listed under Security Methods. This completes the middle, critical exchange. Finish by signing out and testing sign-in with the new passkey. Choose Sign in with Passkey and use Face ID or Touch ID. You should get instant access. If it fails, make sure iCloud keychain is enabled, your iPhone time is accurate, and Safari or the Roblox app isn't restricted. Don't delete existing two-factor methods until passkey logins consistently work. If problems persist, revoke and recreate the passkey within Roblox security and reauthorize with your biometric to reset the pairing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.